Hi friends, today we shall discuss about data manipulation language DML used to manipulate the information in database. There are three commands in the DML. Number first is insert, update and delete. Now let's come to insert. Used to add the new rows into the database. Syntax: insert into table name, values, list of values. Example: let us start the SQL by command prompt. Let us run it as an administrator. Let us type here SQL plus forward slash as sysdba sysdba. You can see SQL is connected. Let us clear the screen. The screen is clear. The font size is also good. No need to update the font size. Let us first create the table student. Let us first create the table student. You can see table is created. Let us create another table department. Copy it and paste it. There is an error creating department. The name is already exist and by using the object. So let us see department. DESC department. Sorry, I typed the wrong command. DESC describe space department. So department number, department name, location. Department already exists. Let's clear the screen. Now both tables exist. So now let us come to DML statements. Data manipulation language. So let us see the first example. Insert into student values RAM, Oracle and 2100 fees. Course is Oracle and fees is 2100. You can see one row created. Now if you see the table contents of student, you can see this row SELECT select star from student. You can see roll 101, student name Ram, course Oracle and fee 2100. Let's minimize this. So syntax supports to insert. Our second syntax supports to insert into selected columns. Syntax insert into table name, column list and values. Example: insert into student only roll and student name. The values 102 and Raj. So let's try this. Raj. Semicolon, enter. One row created. Now if you select star from student, you can see 102 Raj. Course is nothing is there. Fee nothing is there. So note, rest of the columns are filled with empty values called null value. Null is a keyword used to represent empty values into the table column. Supports with all types of data. Using null keyword, insert into department values 30, admin and null. Let us try this command. Admin and null. NULL. Admin and null. It shows an error. Unique constraints department key violated. So this is not supported in Oracle 19c. Entering a null value. Sorry, it is department is DEPT, whereas that is DPART. We shall check it once again. Insert DPARTMENT. Insert department values 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 is 30, comma admin ADMIN, comma null NULL. One row created. So now you can check select star from department. Select star from department. You can see department number 30, name, department name, admin and LOC is location is null. So now let us come to operators in SQL. There are arithmetic, relational and logical operators. The arithmetic operators are plus, addition, minus, subtraction, asterisk or star, multiplication. This is for division. Relational, equal to, greater than, lesser than, greater than or equal to, lesser than or equal to, not equal to, or this it can be also used, this command also can be used really as a relational operator. Logical, and, or, and not. Special operators, in, between, like, is, null. Where clause, used to specify the condition while retrieving or manipulating the data, used with update, delete and select statements. These all arithmetic operators and special operators I will be covering in my next video. Thanks for watching my video and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.